Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to sew a beautiful pleated mini skirt with a flat front waistband and a comfortable elastic back. This beginner-friendly sewing tutorial is perfect if you're learning how to make a school skirt or looking for an easy DIY sewing project. Let's get started. We'll multiply 23 inches by 2.6. That gives us a total fabric width of approximately 60 inches. Before making the pleats, we sew side edge separately with a zigzag stitch to prevent fraying. Then double fold the bottom hem and stitch it in place. Now let's prepare the pleats. Measure and mark every 1.5 inches along the top edge of the skirt. Fold each pleat carefully, then press with an iron to create crisp, even pleats. Once all the pleats are in place, sew across the top edge to hold them securely. Then top stitch down each pleat for 6 inches from the waistband. This helps the pleats stay crisp, keeps the front of the skirt neat, and gives your pleated miniskirt a polished, professional look. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps my channel grow and lets me create more easy sewing tutorials for you. Thank you so much for your support. Next, sew the side seams, then attach the waistband. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly sewing tutorials and DIY projects.